Welcome everybody, my name is Marcus Stone and in this video you will learn how we can create an Instagram post in Canva. So let's start. First, what you want to do is just what happened? Create a design and right here Instagram post. Okay, let's click it. And now you have options to use plenty of templates for Instagram post, and it's really up to you which one you use and which one you find useful. So let's birthday, summer, spring, wedding, autumn, winter. There was a winter. So what I always recommend is to find some good text or something like this and just change the background to whatever you want. So I have myself here this. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to pixels. I'll write here Christmas. Okay. And I can, or even not this, but let's say snow. Yeah. And you can make it like this and then change the position to backward. But what we need is to create an element here. For example, go with the shape, this one, go with the white color. Okay, we can change the position to backward, okay, and voila. See, you can use like whatever you want here. That's how amazing it is. You can also take the doggy and play with it and create really great templates for Instagram posts. So this is how we do it. Thank you very much everybody for watching. Now what you want to do is just click download, PNG, download. Okay, open it and voila, here you go. So thank you very much everybody for watching. Have a great day and see ya.